So here's how you can mute the iPad quickly. Now, you may know that you can open up the settings and, scroll through the options, find the sound section, and there enable the silent mode. But this can be done quicker. Instead, you can swipe down to access the control center and add the silent button right there. So what you can do basically is to hold down somewhere to make the edit options appear, click on add a control, and from the available ones, look for the silent mode controller. So you just add there, the button with a ringer or like ring, bell, whatever, right? You just put it there. And then you can easily just tap it like that and you can access the control center anywhere and quickly enable and disable the mode right there. But also there is another option. As you may or may not know, there is the app called Siri Shortcuts. This is what it looks like. And this app lets you create some shortcuts, right? So it might just be some set of actions which can be triggered with a click of a button. And you can essentially start a brand new shortcut where you can decide that the action would be to set the silent mode. So you create a shortcut like that, which can easily then be added to the home screen as a button. So it just means that on your home screen, you might have all of your apps and all of the things you do, plus one of the apps or icon is going to be to trigger the silent mode. So this will allow you to mute the iPad even quicker with a little button on the home screen. So that's another way how you can quickly mute the iPad. So that's going to be about it from me. Let me know below in the comments if it did in fact work for you. Subscribe for more tutorials and guides similar to this one, and I'll catch you later.